So, you want to become a millionaire. You dream about financial freedom, traveling the world, or maybe just not worrying about bills ever again. But here's the truth. Most people never get there. And it's not because they're not smart enough, or talented enough, or even hardworking enough. No, something else is stopping them. And chances are, it's stopping you too. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's holding you back, and more importantly, how to break free. See, there's a reason why only a small percentage of people ever reach millionaire status. It's not about luck. It's about mindset, habits, and the invisible barriers we unknowingly create for ourselves. If you've ever thought, I want to be rich, but it just seems impossible, you're not alone. But here's the real question. Is it really impossible? Or is it just that you've been conditioned to believe it is? Imagine this. You're a kid, and you overhear adults saying things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are greedy. You don't question it because, well, you're a kid. Fast forward to adulthood, and without realizing it, you still believe those things deep down. You start telling yourself, I'm not the kind of person who gets rich. I don't have the right skills. Or worse, I don't deserve it. These are called limiting beliefs, and they shape the way you think, the risks you take, and the opportunities you allow yourself to see. Think about it. If you truly believed you could be a millionaire, wouldn't you be making different choices? Studies have shown that self-made millionaires tend to share one key trait: an abundance mindset. This means they don't see money as something scarce or out of reach. Instead, they believe wealth is something they can create, no matter where they start. Take someone like Jim Carrey. Before he became a Hollywood star, he was broke, but he didn't let that define him. Instead, he wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated it for the future, and carried it in his wallet as a reminder of what was possible. Years later, he actually earned that exact amount for a movie role. Was it magic? No. It was the power of belief, action, and persistence. Here's another hard truth. Your daily habits are either making you rich or keeping you broke. If you spend hours scrolling through social media but never invest time in learning new skills, that's stopping you. If you avoid risks because you're afraid of failing, that's stopping you. If you keep telling yourself you'll start tomorrow, well, you already know where that leads. And let's talk about spending. Many people think millionaires are just lucky, but in reality, they're usually strategic, but they don't waste money on things that don't matter. Instead of buying the newest car, they invest in assets, things that make them more money. So ask yourself, are you spending like a future millionaire? Or are you spending like someone who's trying to look rich? And by the way, there's one mindset shift that almost every millionaire makes. Something that flips the script completely. We'll get to that in a second. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about options. It's about having control over your time, your choices, and your life. Because let's be real, what's more valuable than money? Time. And when you have financial freedom, you get to spend your time how you want, with the people you want, doing the things you love. All right, here's the biggest shift you need to make. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. Employees trade time for money. They work a set number of hours and get paid a set amount. But owners? They build systems, assets, and businesses that make money even when they're not working. That's the real secret. If you're always exchanging time for money, you'll always be limited. But when you create something that makes money while you sleep, whether it's a business, an investment, or intellectual property, you break free. So here's the question. What's stopping you? Is it fear? Is it bad habits? Is it the belief that you don't deserve it? Whatever it is, recognize it, challenge it. And most importantly, do something about it, because the only thing standing between you and becoming a millionaire is you. If this video opened your eyes, don't just click away and forget about it. Take action. Drop a comment below on what's been stopping you, and let's start changing that today. And hey, if you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning.